Great day, great evening to my crypto cowboys and cowgirls worldwide. Thanks for watching. I am Manolo Borgia, the Abundant Alchemist, and I'm here to help you make as much money as possible with crypto and other markets. Let's get into it. Today is the 1st of October. It's the first of the month. Play some Bone Thugs and Harmony if you're into that. But so let's get into Bitcoin before I touch on other stories that I looked into. Bitcoin has closed higher than the previous August monthly candle, which is a good sign. We have yet the entire month to close higher than September's candle, if that makes sense, okay? So it's doing quite impressive despite the fact that legacy markets, the stock market, S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, are seeing a retracement, being that Bitcoin until now is heavily correlated with all of these other markets. So it's a good sign to see that Bitcoin is still holding up. I am still not convinced. And what I would like to see is, at least for today, a target of at least 44,372. I'm being very specific, but I want to see it above that. If it's slightly below that, it's okay. Like, that's pretty much what it's been doing with the targets that I've been hoping to see Bitcoin hit. We have 2 days and 15 hours, 2 days and 15 hours to close this week, Sunday. So I would like to see this type of price action at 44,372, which will set Bitcoin up at a steady pace to have a higher weekly close. And because right now I'm seeing that Bitcoin is doing good on the daily, but I see a sell signal on the weekly still. So these 2 days continue to be important. Okay. As far as other altcoins, Solana has been surging. There's a new altcoin called Bonafida, symbol FIDA, FIDA, that has been surging. It is a DeFi coin, and you could read more on that story at the Daily Hodl. Also, Celer, CELR, has had gains of 400% with its multi-chain 2.0 solution. It's gone from 3 cents to 19 cents. A lot of money has been made there. And yeah, right now, Bitcoin is eyeing 50K. Can it do it? That is yet to be determined. And I want to correct something that I was reading on Cointelegraph. It was saying that the dollar was retreating, and that's actually wrong. The dollar is surging on the daily candle at 94.28 on the Dixie. So I don't understand, the context of what this writer was saying, but I see the dollar holding up quite strong despite everything, and I'm not 100% sure of the mechanism of how this is happening, because this money printing is out of control. Kiyosaki is stating that he expects the world's biggest crash in October, and I pretty much cannot see how that cannot happen, because there's a lot of pressure. I mean, you don't even have to be analyzing the charts to see that something big is about to happen. If you understand the supply chain, if you understand what's going on with the Fed, if you understand what's going on in politics, if you understand what's going on with the stock market, there's just Evergrande in China. It's just a very delicate situation. And with all these landmines, the stock market and crypto, Bitcoin in particular, would have to move in such a perfect manner for this whole thing not to be coming down. And it really wouldn't be Bitcoin's fault. It would be due to the fact it's still correlated to the markets. And when panic would ensue, much like we saw when the pandemic hit, it's going to go down. So I do hope that I am wrong, but this isn't about what I want. This is about what the information that I see before my eyes. I'm going to leave it there. Please like, share, and subscribe. I have links below. Have a great Friday.